Here's my dog's trains. Here's a couple videos I'm going to be doing. This is on the sound for 8-inch bell, and then the 10-inch bell um, we have two options of triggering systems. This one is a adjustable, so you can have a longer tone or a faster tone of the bell sound. Plug the unit in. That is the 8-inch one, and then it's just the single set. So you can increase how fast the bell will sound or slow it down, and then you can increase or decrease the frequency of it. So the plunger will go in slow and the bell sound will be not as loud, or you increase it, the plunger will go in further. That's the voltage. And then you can decrease the sound, the timing of it. So that's the 8-inch sound. And we'll do the 10-inch one. And we'll see the difference in the sound for the 10-inch. A lot louder. Okay, so that's the adjustable option that we have, that you can